everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. In this video series, we are going to quickly discuss about some possible exam questions they ask in GCSE and IGCSE Maths as proof questions. There are some common questions that you always get, so we're just going to quickly discuss some of these. Here's the first one. Prove that sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now, to prove this one, we need to get a right angle triangle. Here's the right angle. And let's take this angle to be theta. Now let's label the sides. The longest side is the hypotenuse, H. The side opposite is O. And the remaining side is the adjacent. Now we know sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. You memorize this as so. Now, similarly, we know cos theta is equal to ka, adjacent over hypotenuse. Second. Now, tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Third one. Now, all I need to do is I need to get sine divided by cos. So obviously I have to divide 1 by 2. So let's divide 1 by 2. So I get sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to, now the left hand side is sine theta, right hand side is O over H. So let's write it here, O over H, and cos theta is A over H. Let's simplify this further. Sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse divided by this. Now I'm going to apply keep, flip, change technique, KFC. So keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction. So A over H becomes H over A. Now division becomes multiplication. Now you can clearly see the H and H gets cancelled out. So I get sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to O over A. But what is O over A here? That is tan theta. So I can replace sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta.